How to change the sound of Facebook Messenger notifications. If you are an Android user, stick to the end of this video, I have a special trick for you. Otherwise, we just open Messenger. Here we type on our profile picture at the left top. Now scroll down till we see notifications and sound, then notification sound, and here you can choose different notification sound. If you are Android user, you can switch the notification sound to whatever you want. Click the link at top to see how. I want to improve my videos, so if you have any tips, write them down below.